everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag for the month of June. Let's begin. So, every month you do receive a bag. This is what the bag looks like for the month of June. The inside is yellow, and it usually comes with a card. It looks like this time they did not include what the items are inside my bag, but they usually do. Okay, so it looks like the first thing in here are these masks. Looks like there's 2 sets of them, and looks like there's 3 inside. So they have the June Cosmetics Calming Mask, Brightening Mask, and Nourishing Mask. We got 2 packs of these. So even though they don't have the card in here, if you go on their website or their app, they have an Ipsy app. They actually have the prices there as well that you can check out. And for the masks, the retail value is $15. Okay. The next product in the box is this Dr. Brandt Illuminizing Primer, Pores No More. And the retail value for this full-sized item is $38. That's what it looks like. Okay. The next item in the box is this eye brush set. This is the Shayna B Miami brush set, which costs $60. That is the retail value. So it says what each brush is supposed to do. This is a smudge brush. This is an eyeshadow brush to pack on the shadow. The next item is an eye crease brush. The fourth one is a blending brush. And the last one, let's see. This one is a concealer brush. So those are the 5 brushes. The next item looks like it kind of got damaged in the bag while traveling. This is the Purelisse 6-in-1 Cleansing Milk Blue Lotus. And this full-sized item retails for $36. So this is what it looks like. And there is one last item in the bag. The last item is the Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow in the color Entwine. And this retails for $24. So let's see what the color looks like. Looks like it's a little bit crumbled. I wonder if that's the way it's supposed to look. Okay. Let's see. It has a little bit of fallout, but it has this champagne-y color. It's a pretty color. And that's what Entwine looks like. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Bye!